This is the Logitech G102. Yeah, it's a gaming mouse and it's quite interesting. It is priced at Rs 1995, but you get it for around 1600 on Amazon.in as well as in some local stores. So today in this video, let's quickly unbox this and have a look on what's inside the box. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Vijay from UNBOXMATE, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. So we get this blue colored box with nice finishing touch to it. The specifications are mentioned to the sides and to the back side of the box. So opening up the box, we get the mouse safely packed in a white plastic wrapper. Keeping it aside for a second, we get this cool looking Logitech sticker, a special note to the user, and a regular user manual. Unpacking this mouse. So this is a Logitech G102. It weighs around 85 grams, which isn't that heavy, and the company has managed to make it as light as possible. As far as the build quality goes, this mouse is made up of high quality plastic and is nicely built. This mouse is easy to hold and is very comfortable. It has a minimal design with the Logitech logo and smooth finish all over it. The company claims that this design is highly inspired from the legendary Logitech G100S mouse, which was beloved by the gamers all over the world. It has 6 programmable buttons where you can customize them and have more control over it. There are 2 buttons on the left side, a DPI shift button in the center along with a scroll button, and a left and right click buttons. The company claims that these buttons are made up of advanced tensioning system through which you get exceptional response and consistency. These buttons can be customized using the Logitech gaming software. This software contains a lot of features including the control of the RGB effect. Yes, this mouse has an RGB lighting support, and there are literally 16.8 million color options that you get with this mouse. You can customize it and set a desired color option with the 3 lighting effects. You get a single colored effect, a multicolored effect, and a breathing effect, where the company calls them as a fixed color, a cycle color, and breathing effects. These 3 effects can be controlled and customized using the Logitech software. You can control the brightness levels, the rate of speeds, and a lot more. You get this interesting feature called the key duration map. This feature lets you know the keys that you press the most, including their duration. It lets you know how long you press the keys with this nice graphical representation. On the whole, this software is very helpful in customizing and controlling the devices. Now, coming to the usage experience, this mouse is easy to hold and you get a nice grip over it. The movement was smooth enough and I really enjoyed it. This mouse has up to 8000 DPI sensitivity support, and you can easily change it with DPI shift or cycling button. The click response is good and you'll easily get used to it. If you are on a game, then the DPI settings will automatically change to the gaming settings that you have saved before. I have used the Logitech G300S in the past and it worked great. Now, comparing to that mouse, this mouse has a better build quality, better RGB effects, and more options on the DPI side. But I like the design of the G300S over the G102. I mean, even G102's design is nice, but the G300S design is more attractive. It's basically a personal choice, so you can go for any of these. So overall, this mouse is really impressive. It excels in the build quality, RGB support, and performance. If you are looking for a gaming mouse for around 15 to 1600, then you can go for it. If you're planning to get one, then I'll leave the link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And that was my hands-on this, the Logitech G102. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, cause that would be really helpful. Lastly, this is Vijay and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.